Every luxury limousine begins as raw steel, cold, heavy, and full of potential.
Precision cutting transforms raw material into engineered perfection. The skeleton of strength is forged with robotic accuracy.
Fire meets steel to create an unbreakable foundation.
Every panel is aligned with millimeter precision.
A standard luxury sedan, about to become extraordinary. To build a limousine, everything must come apart. The transformation begins by splitting the machine itself.
Length is engineered, not added pride. Balance is everything.
Strength is doubled to support extended luxury.
A new silhouette begins to emerge. Even doors are reimagined for elegance.
Symmetry defines true luxury.
Imperfections are erased, leaving pure form.
Color defines identity. Luxury is found in the smallest details. A flawless surface starts beneath the paint.
Patience perfects every layer.
Technology flows through every inch.
Silence becomes a feature.
Inside, a new world is built. A symbol of legacy. From factory floor to global roads.
The journey to the world begins. Across oceans, luxury travels.
Speed meets precision delivery. Where dreams meet reality. Comfort is crafted, not installed.
Light transforms space into experience.
Luxury meets indulgence. Entertainment redefined on wheels.
Every step feels like royalty.
Perfection lies in finishing touches.
Every inch is inspected. Nothing is overlooked.
Sealed against the outside world. A mirror of craftsmanship.
From steel to status, this is more than a car. This is a Cadillac Limousine.
Performance tested under real conditions.